Heartland has been making top-notch travel trailers and fifth wheels since 2004. If you like the feeling and look of a laminate travel trailer but shy away due to the feeling that it may be a bit too pricey, have no fear. Today, I want to take you on a tour of a fantastic line of full-featured laminate travel trailers, the Heartland Mallard. What's up, everybody? It's Chris Young. Now, Mallards are all about comfort. Relax under with nearly 7 feet tall arch ceilings with dual ducted 13,500 BTU ACs as you sink into the overstuffed residential furniture and revel in the ambiance provided by soft glow backlit fascia. Keep warm with the forced air heated and enclosed underbelly. Stare out at the stars through the Mallard's oversized windows, and Mallards make great use of the camp kitchen with their master chef kitchen. You'll find infinity edge countertops, pull-out kitchen faucet, steel ball-bearing drawer guides, plus the double-door fridge acts as a doodle station for notes or to satisfy your inner artist. Sleep soundly in a king-size bed with memory foam and cooling gel-infused mattress. Most Mallards also come with a tri-fold sofa, so you have a comfortable place for 2 or more people to sleep as well. Now, features move into the Mallard Bathroom too. Here you'll find an easy-to-use foot flush toilet, shower tub surround, and a skylight in the shower. Entertainment is made easy with an AM/FM CD DVD player with indoor and outdoor speakers in the newly designed entertainment center with hidden storage. Some models will also have a telescoping TV. Now, Mallards are Wi-Fi prepped and have a cable-ready hookup. On the inside, like deep inside, is the solid construction designed to keep Mallards as lightweight as possible. Mallards are built with 6-sided aluminum construction, 2-inch laminated sidewalls, and finished and insulated flooring. Outside, you'll find a 4-inch fully walkable laminated roof and a painted front cap that wraps around the sides. You'll also find Y-Trax axle system with leaf spring suspension to help for a smoother tow, and MORryde step above exterior steps for easier entry. Furthermore, exterior features found standard include King Kong size finished and insulated pass-through storage, power tongue jack and power stabilizer jacks to make it quick to camp, and an easy hitch setup. Other items you're bound to love for comfort and/or convenience are the power awning with LED lighting, solar prep, spare tire, black tank flush, backup camera prep, and some models will have a specific place to store your grill tool called the s'more storage. Now, the beauty of the Mallard line lies within a wide selection of floor plans, from bunkhouse models ready for camping family fun to rear living models designed for the camping couple. Family is first. That's what I always say. So let's head in and talk bunkhouses. The M180BH packs a lot into its 21 feet. You'll find double queen bunks, a unique Jiffy sofa double bed combo, and an outside kitchen. It can sleep up to 7. The M251BH sports a slide out holding a comfy U-shaped dinette, walk-in pantry, double bunks, outside kitchen, and a sliding door to close off the main bedroom, and can sleep 7. The M26 bunkhouse can sleep 9 as you add a tri-fold sofa to the double bunks and a king-size bed. It also has the outside kitchen, dual sliding doors for the bedroom. Moving on to the 36-foot Mallard M312, that can sleep 9. You'll see the double bunks move to make room for an exterior entry into the bathroom. A large living area slide out creates space, and there's a large entertainment center, solid sliding door to the bedroom that sits right next to the main entry. The M32, capable of sleeping 9, creates a quad bunk section with bunks and a slide out, has a large U dinette and another slide out, and exterior kitchen next to the direct entry into the bathroom. Now, the M33, nearly 37 feet, has a private bunk room next to the bathroom that has direct access from the exterior. In the living room, that's where you're going to find opposing slides, making room for a kitchen island. The living area also has a swivel TV in case you want to have private viewing in the bedroom. It's pretty cool how it just flips around. Mallard rear living models are plenty too. The new entry is the M210RB. This couple's travel trailer just 22 feet long, but has an impressively large bathroom plus a slide out holding the sofa. The M210RB can sleep 3. There's the M25 Rear Kitchen model with the main entry sitting beside a larger kitchen and a telescoping TV. It can sleep 5, plus has a large slide out and a private entry into the bedroom. The M260 is a rear bath model where the entire back wall holds a large bathroom. Also has a walk-in pantry, living room slide-out, and a sliding door for bedroom privacy. It can sleep up to 5. The M27 boasts a pair of swivel rockers sitting beside a large living area slide-out and a private entry into the bedroom. The M27 can sleep up to 5. A larger model, the M301, this 36-foot floor plan has a commanding L-shaped kitchen, single living area slide-out, exterior kitchen, and additional bedroom closet space. The M301 can sleep up to 5. Now we see the massive M335, nearly 40-foot rear living model capable of sleeping 4. It has opposing slide-outs to enable it to have a kitchen island, a freestanding dinette, and theater seats across from an entertainment center. A third slide-out houses the king bed. Up front is a large wardrobe closet with washer-dryer prep. Love that one, it's beautiful. New to an RV or an experienced RVer, I'm confident you're going to love the amenities a Heartland Mallard laminate travel trailer provides that are outstanding in their class, and find the right one for you and your camping family.